Good Monday morning. I'm Julia Espinosa at the First Alert Weather Center. We start off the work week with a red flag warning, the first issued for this year. It was issued yesterday evening, but it is going to continue in effect up until 9 a.m. Although with the conditions that we're dealing with, we could see this activity extended going towards your Monday afternoon and evening. We're talking wind gusts as strong as 60 miles per hour, warmer temperatures touching the 80s and 90s, and reduced relative humidity. So with those three factors as a combination, we all know that any fire that does ignite is likely to spread pretty rapidly. So keeping a very close eye on when it comes to those gusty conditions that were expected Monday and as we go towards your Tuesday. Now, the reason why we're starting to see a drastic weather change here in our forecast is due to this ridge of high pressure. It does begin to build over southwestern California, prompting those warmer temperatures. Now, as those conditions continue to soar, we're actually going to be under a heat advisory. So parts of Ventura County, you're expecting those temperatures closer to the coast in the 80s, 90s. So avoid peak hour and wear light, loose fitted clothing. It is going to be a very warm and muggy day. By your Tuesday, that's where we are expecting peak heat. So temperatures will continue to warm up, and we are going to be seeing this trend up until your Thursday before that cooling trend does initiate at the end of the work week going towards the weekend. So by Saturday and Sunday, we could be favoring the onshore flow, allowing for more coastal cloud cover and areas of fog. But until then, it's going to be a lot of sunshine, and we're also going to be talking very gusty conditions. So here's a look at the next 24 hours. We go towards your Monday morning hours. That's where we're going to see those wind gusts right around the San Ynez Range, heading down south and then potentially pushing out towards the eastern portion of Ventura County, where those valleys and mountains are going to be seeing the strongest wind gusts, as well as those areas below the passes right around Point Conception into Gaviota and out towards the San Marcos Pass. So very similar pattern that we're all used to seeing. Going towards sundown, those wind gusts do begin to return, becoming much stronger along with Lompoc, Santa Maria, and into Gaviota. So if you do have to drive this evening, make sure you're holding onto the wheel very tightly, as it is going to be difficult driving at times, becoming hazardous, as we could see those conditions amount up to 60 miles per hour. So keeping a close eye on the winds, as it is going to be a top headline for much of this week. Temperature wise, Santa Barbara, you up to 87 degrees, Carpinteria 82 degrees. For the coast, you're also going to be warming up. Low 70s for Vandenberg, but much warmer. Santa Maria 81, Muleton 85 degrees. Out towards Paso, your temperatures are going to be warming to 86 versus Morro Bay. You're seeing about a 30-degree difference, as you will be warming up to 67 degrees. But as mentioned, Ventura, Oxnard, you're under a heat advisory with your temperatures reaching 80 degrees for Ventura, Oxnard 86 degrees. We'll be tracking the latest at the First Alert Weather Center.